Hey, part two. So we're starting right at measure 10, right at measure 10. This is where we start splitting notes. So you can see it's kind of confusing because you know how when we sing music, part one has its own line and part two has its own line? Well, in this song, they're just stacked right on top of each other. So part one is here and you're the bottom note. So you sing this note, this note, this note, this note, this note, right? So try to follow the highlighting and it's going to help a little bit. So let's take a look at this first phrase. I'm going to sing it on solfege first. So, do, mi, do. Try that. Ready? And sing. So, do, mi, do. Nice job. Try that again. Ready? And go. So, do, mi, do. Good. Now put the words. Draw the circle wide. Try it. Ready? And go. Draw the circle wide. Very nice. Now let's look at this next phrase. Do, ti, do. Listen again. Do, ti, do. Try that. Ready? And go. Do, ti, do. Nice. Let's add words. Draw it wider still. Try that. Ready? And go. Draw it wider still. Wider still. Sing that. Go. Wider still. Good. Draw it wider still. Sing that. Go. Draw it wider still. So if we put it together, we can hear. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Nice. Try that again. Ready? Remember, we're just learning this. You should not be an expert. If you're an expert, then you're probably going to take over my job and then you'll teach instead of me, and then I'm going to be so sad because I won't have a job. So don't be too good at this yet, okay? Try it right here. 1, 2, go. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Nice job. Now, let's look at this next phrase. Let this be our song. Hey, it's the same notes as Draw the Circle Wide when we started. Let this be our song. Let this be our song. Try that. Ready? And go. Let this be our song. Good. Okay. Now let's try that all from measure 10. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. 1, 2, go. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Let this be our song. Now, this is where it gets kind of weird. It sounds weird by itself, but I promise it sounds cool with the other parts. Let's look at this rhythm. No one stands alone. No one stands alone. Now let's listen to the notes. No one stands alone. Try that. Ready? And sing. No one stands alone. Try it again and go. No one stands alone. Now, we've got an 8th rest here, which is a really quick breath. No one stands alone. Stand. Right? It's barely a breath. It's a catch breath, kind of. Okay, so we have no one stands alone, standing side by side. That's kind of the hard part to hear. Listen to this. Standing side by side. Try that. Ready? And sing. Standing side by side. That's the hardest part of all of this so far. Listen again. Standing side by side. Try that. Ready? And sing. Standing side by side. Try it again. And go. Standing side by side. Let's start at no one stands alone. Listen first. No one stands alone. Standing side by side. Sorry, I did not play the piano part very well. Try that. No one stands alone. Ready? And go. No one stands alone. Standing side by side. Good. Try it one more time. No one stands alone. Ready? And go. No one stands alone. Standing side by side. sounds familiar. If it doesn't, then I don't know where you've been the past few weeks. Yikes. Hopefully you're okay. Draw the circle wide. I'm going to sing it all for you once, and then you're going to sing it with me. Now, not perfection. You literally just learned this. Give yourself a break. Listen to the whole thing first. Ready? I sing. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Let this be our song. No, no one stands alone, standing side by side. Draw the circle wide. You try singing the whole thing. Here we go. Give yourself a break. It's okay. Draw the 1, 2, and sing. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Let this be our song. No one stands alone, standing side by side. Draw the circle wide. All right, thanks for singing. Head back to class now. All right, bye.